Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Shibenta ka jikan mau boram ya ka National Voluntary Blood Donors Day ka Juwai Blood Bank kelapun ke boram ya kinong ay senam snobha kumju ki kenhun ki bo jawan sikmat bat senyang snobha ya ka senam. Ya ka jingi lampan ke boram lapun lang conference hall ka blood bank Juwai minta ka seni balang halor kapang give blood and keep the world beating. Ke Dr. R. Parman, Superintendent Juwai Civil Hospital Yalong, kum kakongsan ha kejengekran ka ay kuplay kelpang ya kinong ay senam sungubha kiblawan senyang senam sya kajaka kensyau senam pan ajing syakri syakipet ba kibedan kam ya ka senam. Kalau angru baka senam kalong ka bakodor tam ha kajeng im ubreo ha kapang kasyitom pan ha kinu kijingja kibedan kam senam kerki. Bat kalapan silaru ya barok ban syakaman ban ay sungubha ya ka senam.
Anytime we have blood donation days, she used to submit the report to the office and show the different organizations giving blood donation to the blood bank. So I only see the names, I never see the persons, and I only know the organization in the purpose like that. So today indeed I'm very happy to see you all, to meet you persons and to appreciate and to thank you for all this noble work you have done, this act of kindness and generosity. So as you know that without the blood donors, we cannot have a blood bank. For her to make a blood bank functioning or alive, we have to have regular blood donations. So with your cooperations and your kindness, your generosity, we could keep this blood bank alive, and the service of this blood bank has extended now, as you have heard from Dr. Lalu. Now we not only have in our district itself, but now the service has extended to the Cleared CSC also, where we have one more blood storage. So this is all because it's happening because of your cooperation, because of your generosity. With your act of kindness and with your generosity, we could save so many people, especially the pregnant women. I can tell you that we have saved so many. There are women, you know, when women during pregnancy, they started bleeding, they started like that. So they need blood. When we say they need blood, only blood can save the person. The doctors cannot do anything else. If the patient says, I need 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units of blood, and those 3 units or 2 units, if they don't get it, if the patient does not get it, then she may die. So, but with your help, with your kindness, your generosity, we could save these women. So this blood bank has saved so many women. We have saved so many children, fathers, mothers, sisters, brothers. All it happened because of your generosity. So I really appreciate that. To carry on with what you have done, you have been doing all to help us and support us so that we can give safe blood to all our patients. Because safe blood comes only from the voluntary blood donors. Because when we have voluntary blood donors, before we take the blood, we do the screening, we do the testing. So in that way, the blood is safe. So I seek your cooperation as you have been doing all the time. So continue with what you have done so that we can save many more people, many more lives.
Without being forced by anyone and without being expecting anything from the patient or from the blood bank. Okay, the voluntary blood donor when they donate, they never have to mind like, when can I use the blood which I had donated? Okay, like they just donate it out of their own free will because they feel the need that they need to support the blood bank because they know the blood bank is supporting the patient which are really in need of blood. And we know that a country like India, just like I have mentioned, it's not possible to test all the disease which are there in the blood. So most of the disease, we either screen them That's why when you go through a process of blood donation, you saw so many questions.